Meaning of hill.
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 Hill. Hill is a contraction of the words he and will. It is commonly used to indicate the future tense in English language. The use of hill suggests that something will happen in the future with reference to a male individual. The contraction is informal and is commonly used in everyday speech and writing. It can be used in a wide variety of contexts, including discussions about plans, expectations, predictions, or assumptions about what someone will or won't do. Overall, hill is a useful contraction for expressing future actions in a concise and straightforward manner.